So for this, the main mechanics was that it got to do with the last element that's been involved. So you first have a 2 and a 1, and then this negative, and it's the interaction between these two items, and you always interact with this one first, followed by this one. So you have sort of like a stage A and a stage B situation that's going on over here. So stage A is saying that the moment you have like an operator, so we're gonna go on to talk about stage A. Stage A is that we're gonna take these two values, and stage B is that we're gonna use the number 1 minus, to be operating against this number 2. So therefore, for this very case is that 2 minus 1, you have a 1 over here, right? So you go on to the next. So now you have 3. So you gotta write a 3 over here. And then you have like a divide. So same thing, go through stage A, which is for this case will be 1 and 3. You go through stage B, this is your 1, operate against the number 2. So it's 1 divided by 3, you get a 0. So therefore, this is like the final operation that actually do happen. One thing that I'm concerned is that do you round up or you round down? So if say like I get a 1, like what do we get? Is it gonna be a 0 or is it gonna be a 1? And is it gonna round up or round down, you know? For this case, it feels like it round down, like, because technically this answer will be 0.3, right? So it round down. But for a case where it gets 0.5, you round up or you round down? And are we talking about program language specific? For this case, it's Python specific. Like, does it iterate differently for C++ or JavaScript? That's another concern. So I mean, if I were to read it off, evaluate, reverse. I don't even know what do you mean by evaluate. So evaluate, reverse, polish, notation. These 4 words, I know a lot about, like, I know about evaluate, reverse, and polish, but not so much about notation. And if you were to actually put everything into a set of words, very confusing. Evaluate the value of an arithmetic, I don't know what's this, expression in reverse Polish notation. Obviously don't know what the hell is this talking about. And what does this refer to? Valid operators are plus, minus, and multiply and divide. Each operand may be an integer or another expression. Operand probably refers to the numbers. I do get integer, but what do you mean by another expression? Is there anything other than like integers? Unless you're talking about like 0.5, 0.4, 0.3, that will make sense. So note that divisions between two integers should truncate. What the hell is truncate? Toward 0. So are you saying that this whole thing will always be rounding down? Because it's like going towards 0. But say if I get like maybe say a negative half as an answer, do I actually round up because it's going towards the path of towards 0? It is guaranteed that the given RPN, don't know what is this, expression is always valid. That means the expression would always evaluate to a result. So we are guaranteed to have a result. And there will not be any division by 0 operation. So I can't divide 0. Zero operation. So no matter what, there must be an operation that's going on. No matter what, this must be operating to something. Like this and this must do something. It cannot be inactive. I don't know. But yeah, I guess I guess that's it. Everything comes to an end.